Ciao guys, Wood here. So PUBG Mobile is finally available from February 9th and just in China actually, but we're gonna be able to install it even here in the States or everywhere in the world with some just easy steps. So nothing weird. I don't want to put APK down in the link below because I don't want people to get malware or something. We're gonna do everything through different app stores, so don't worry at all. Super safe, super legal, and you're gonna be able to play PUBG Mobile. So unfortunately it's in Chinese, but a patch maybe is gonna come soon, and enjoy the big game for free on Android or iOS. So let's switch to the computer right now where I have Nox emulator, so we can go all through the step in there on the screen. Okay, let's switch now. Okay, here we are on Android. What we're gonna do is like going on the App Store and look for WeChat. So WeChat is the thing that we're gonna need to validate the account. It's a regular app, a social app, so if you wanna use it for calls or messaging, it's good for that too if you don't already have it. So what we're gonna do is download it, and then after the download, just create an account with your username and password, whatever you're gonna decide. Super easy. So let's see here. We should successfully installed. Okay, and here we have WeChat. So we open it. Yeah, it's gonna switch a little, and you're gonna do the sign up. So put the name, region, and we put whatever is gonna be our region, phone number, and the password. So super easy. I'm gonna just do the login like I usually do, and when this first step is done, let's go back to the home. Okay, now that we are registered with WeChat, what we have to do is go on the browser and write this. So www.taptap.com/app/0056. That is gonna be the app that we wanna download at the end, and it's PUBG. So what it's gonna ask us is to download here the TapTap client. That is gonna be the client like a new app store that is a most used app store in China. So it's super safe. So what we're gonna do is just download that, and then open it. Open the APK that we just download and go on install. So this is done. Okay, and we go back to the home. We should find it right now. I'm gonna put it here, and we open TapTap. Okay, and if you have problem to install TapTap, to download the APK for TapTap, we just have to go on settings and go for security over here. And what we have to do is allow sources and no sources. So we are gonna be able to install the app to then download PUBG. Super easy. And then if you don't want to have that for security reason, you can just put it back to not allowed after this. So super easy. At this point, we're gonna get in the TapTap store. Okay, and it's gonna be the first one because everyone is downloading it right now. But if it's not the first one, it's gonna be here on the editor choice, or we just write, as you can see, everyone is writing it, PUBG. We look for it, and it's gonna be the one where the guy with the tie is in front of the girl. So this one here with the slash. There are two different versions. This one is the official real one, the other one is a light one, so it's easier for phones that are not super powerful. Anyway, we click on it and we go with the download, and so it's gonna be around 500 or a gigabyte to download. So if you don't have space, make space on your phone. Super easy, and we're gonna wait for that to download. See you later. Okay, then everything is installed. What we have to do is just look for it and start it. It's gonna start in the landscape mode. Sorry for the light. Okay, here we are. So this one is gonna be WeChat, and this one is another one that we don't have, that is QQ. So we tap on this one, and we're gonna have to allow PUBG to use WeChat to run, and that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna be here. Super easy because it's free. Of course, we have some commercials, so we just keep pressing the X. Sometimes we have to double tap on it, and here we are. We're gonna go through the character creator, and then we're gonna have to have our character exactly like Whoopi in the game. Also, here I'm gonna put some slides so you can see the translation and everything, and in the options, so you're gonna be able to change it as you want. Super easy. Then single or duo or squad. Here you're gonna have the friend list, so if you have a friend, you can just invite from here or from WeChat. Super easy. And with this, we just start the game. And as you can see, it's exactly the same that we have on Xbox or PC. It's a little different here, there are not all the weapons, but yeah, this is the game. We are on the plane. The map is exactly the same. Pochinski, Milta, the amazing military base, and 3, 2, 1, jump.
Okay guys, this was the guide how to install PUBG on our mobile devices. I think it was pretty easy. If you need any help, just let me know in the comment below. I will be happy to help you out. And anyway, I'm gonna leave at the end some slides with all the options translated in English with the photos, so you're gonna be able to understand a little better all the menu if you don't know Chinese like me. I feel like it's pretty neat that now we're gonna have Xbox, PC and mobile too with PUBG. I hope they're gonna come soon in VR as well. Anyway guys, if you liked the video, like. If you didn't like the video, dislike. Remember to subscribe for more about VR and tech in general. See you guys in the next video. Ciao!